Yeah, we take kind of a real task orientation and say, if you're to lay out all the tasks that make up what it is you do as a change practitioner, let's say, you can start to sort them out into these 3 buckets. We call this the AI integration framework. Bucket 1 is called my work. That's the human exclusive work. That's the work you're always going to do as the human. The other side is called for me work. That is the kind of routine, repetitive, 0 and 1 intensive work that at some point AI could fully automate for you. That's the work you could hand off completely to the robots. And oftentimes that's the work that makes you feel like a robot anyways. And then the magic is in the middle. That's what I call the with me work. Where can I bring a digital collaborator to the table to produce a first draft in a flash that I can add some SME polish to give me that instantaneous access to expertise or information. One of my favorites is act as a skeptical employee and read this email I wrote. Poke some holes in it, right? Like lean into that capability, because that with me work is where me and a digital collaborator can make magic like we couldn't have when we didn't get these capabilities. And Paul, as capabilities, I mean, we jumped into this question with how rapidly everything is changing on the technical front. The for me bucket and the with me bucket and the my work bucket, stuff is moving across those buckets as these capabilities continue to evolve.